So here is our next MCQ. In this question, we are given two variables a and b, both are of integer type, having value 20 and 3. And now we are using if a is lesser than 10, okay, then we have a equal a minus 5, b equal to b plus 5, and then we are printing the value of a and b. Okay, so you have to tell what is the output of this code. Okay, and now your timer starts and you can think the answer. Okay, so I hope you have got the answer. So the correct answer for this question is option A. Okay, that means the value of A will be printed as 20 and value of B will be printed as 8. Okay, so first let's run this program and see are we getting the same answer in our IDE. So this is our question. Okay, so let's run this program and see the output. So here you can see we are getting 20 and 8. Okay, so let's understand the reason. So here one concept that you have to know is if we are not putting any curly braces after if, okay, then only the first statement after the if, it is considered inside the body of if. That means this code is somewhat similar to this. So here you can see inside if we have only a equal to a minus 5. That means if this a less than 10 condition is true, then this statement will only be executed. Okay, and after that we will come out this b equal to b plus 5 is outside the body of the if. Okay, so now here you can see a is 20, b is 3. Okay, now 20 is less than 10 or not? 20 is not less than 10. Okay, it is basically greater than 10. So what will happen? This condition is false. So we will come out of the body of the if and we will come to this b equal to b plus 5 and we will execute this. So b is currently 3. Okay, so basically it will be 3 plus 5. This is basically 8. 8 will be assigned to b. So b value will be changed to 8. And now we are printing a and b. So because a is unaffected, okay, because this if condition was false, okay, so a will remain 20 only and value of b has been changed, it is 8. So that's why we are getting 20 and 8. Okay, so this type of indentation, here you can see we have indented b or b, okay, and a also. So this does not mean that the body of the if starts from here and at this b. No. Okay, this indentation has no effect in the C programming. It has effect in the Python programming and the other programming where indentation matters. Okay, but in C and C++ this indentation does not matter. Okay, so the concept was this one. Okay, only the first statement will be considered inside the if we are not putting any curly braces. Okay, and if you explicitly put the curly braces, then what will be the answer? So then because 20 is lesser than 10, it is false. Okay, then what will happen? We will come out the body of the if. Okay, as the concept goes, so body ends here. Okay, so that means we will directly come to the printf statement. Okay, and here we will print the value of a and b because they will be remaining unaffected. So 20 and 3 will be printed in that case if we put this curly braces explicitly from this a to b line. Okay, so I hope you have got the answer. Okay, so now let's move to our next question.